Starting with the first plane you unlock, we've got the Cessna 172. Start with engine running is turned off. I'm going to show you today how to start the vehicle. We're going to start, oops, not me to click that. We're going to start, turning on the alternator, turning on the battery, and you're really just going to want to turn all these switches on. The only one that doesn't really matter is the pilot heat. You've got all those turned on. Get some fuel, roll throttle. There we go. Up and running. You do have to play around with the fuel and air ratio just a little bit to get it to where it should be correctly. I'm still learning about that, so if that is incorrect, don't judge. Still practicing.